The Atlantic hurricane season begins on June 1st and lasts through November 30th. Please take necessary steps to protect you, your family, and the community.
Begin collecting supplies such as bottled waters and non-perishable food, batteries, radios, games for children.
Don't forget about your pets and especially your elderly family. Take time now to trim trees, install or check shutters, talk to children about hurricanes and allow them to pack their own go bags.
These activities can help reduce anxiety in the event of a storm. We're a small community.
Together we can ensure our islands, homes and families remain prepared for hurricanes.
Register for Alert VI emergency notification by visiting vitema.vi.gov. Make a plan.
Be prepared.
Stay informed.
Good day, and welcome to the Government House Weekly Press Briefing and COVID-19 update for the week of August 29th, 2022. For the benefit of the radio listening audience, I am Government House Communications Director Richard Mota. Assistant Commissioner Ruben Malloy is joining me on behalf of Health Commissioner Hussein Encarnacion this afternoon for the latest COVID-19 data and information on where Virgin Islands residents can get a COVID-19 test, vaccine, and booster shot. I also have FITEMA Director Darryl Joshin here to provide a tropical weather update now that we are in the period of hurricane season where we historically see more activity, and we have some in the mid-Atlantic. And so without further delay, I will turn over this afternoon's briefing to Assistant Commissioner Malloy. Commissioner Malloy.
Good afternoon, beautiful people of the Virgin Islands. Thank you, Director Mota, for the opportunity, as always, to join you and provide an update on COVID-19 and monkeypox from the Virgin Islands Department of Health. Our latest COVID-19 numbers show we have 239 active COVID-19 cases territory-wide, 130 on St. Croix, 107 on St. Thomas, and 2 on St. John. Hospitalizations territory-wide are 11 total, 6 on St. Croix at JFL, and 5 on St. Thomas at SRMC. The best protection against variants is to remain current or up to date with the recommended COVID-19 vaccine schedule, including boosters. Vaccines are recommended for all persons ages 6 months and older. As a reminder, our COVID-19 vaccine schedule is that all vaccines will take place as a regular part of the Virgin Islands Department of Health's clinic schedules. For COVID-19 testing, the schedule is as follows. On St. Croix, Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. in the Charles Howard Memorial parking lot. On St. Thomas, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. at the Snyder Regional Medical Center, loading dock. On St. Thomas, Wednesday from 12 noon to 3 p.m. Presently, The St. Croix MCH Clinic, providing both immunizations and COVID-19 vaccines, have been relocated to a temporary tent adjacent to the Charles Howard Memorial Complex. Services are provided on an appointment basis. The phone number for appointments or information is 340-244-0016. That number again is 340-244-0016. Regarding monkeypox, the USVI has no confirmed cases to date. 11 suspect cases have been sampled for diagnostic testing. 11 out of 11 samples tested were confirmed to be negative and not cases. No samples are currently pending results. The department will continue to provide education to the providers in the territory and keep the public informed of any confirmed cases. Vaccination will be used for post and pre-exposure prophylaxis. We are preparing to have vaccinations available to certain populations and will announce this week with careful consideration of current supply. The department has 895 doses of Jynneos vaccine available and encourage anyone in the categories already mentioned to learn more about getting vaccinated by calling 340-774-9000 extension 4663. The number again is 340-774-9000 extension 4663. We continue to make progress on our construction projects. On August 12th, Department of Health, Public Works, Flat Architects presented the Charles Howard Complex Demolition Project at the Coastal Zone Management public hearing. This is a $251 million FEMA public assistance funded project whose demolition is scheduled to begin in September. Construction is scheduled to begin August 2023 and projected to be completed October 2026. Upon completion, this facility will be the one-stop public health facility primarily serving the residents of St. Croix and the people of the U.S. Virgin Islands. Again, on Tuesday, August 23rd, Department of Health, Public Works, Springline Architects presented the U.S. Department of Agriculture-funded Nude Hansen Women, Infants, and Children, otherwise also known as WIC, construction project at a CZM public hearing. The approximately $3 million project is to construct a new state-of-the-art, over 5,000 square feet facility for participants of the Women, Infants, and Children Services on the island of St. Thomas. Construction will begin upon CZM board approval and projected to be completed September 2023. The Virgin Islands Special Supplemental Nutrition Program for WIC is 100% federally funded nutrition program of the Food and Nutrition FNS service within the U.S. Department of Agriculture. The WIC program provides supplemental food and nutrition education at no cost, as well as referrals to other healthcare and social services programs and agencies to eligible participants. WIC participants are low income, pregnant, breastfeeding, and non-breastfeeding postpartum women, infants, and children up to age 5. The CZM approval hearing will reconvene 30 days from August 23rd. We look forward to the board's favorable consideration on these priority projects for the people of the Virgin Islands. This is all we have for today. Thank you, Director Mota, for the opportunity to once again keep the public informed on these important health issues.
Thank you, Commissioner Malloy. As I mentioned at the top, we also have the Director of the Virgin Islands Territorial Emergency Management Agency here with us to provide a tropical weather update, and he will be joining us each Monday as we do these throughout hurricane season. And so without further delay, I will turn over this afternoon's briefing to Director Joshin. Director.
Thank you, Director Motor, and good afternoon, listening audience, and Assistant Commissioner Malloy. Thank you for your updates also on COVID-19, monkey virus, and all the great things they're doing at Department of Health. I provide you the most current information from the National Hurricane Center As of 8 o'clock this morning, Monday, August 29th, 2022, there are 3 tropical disturbances currently in the Atlantic Ocean. Disturbance number 1 is a broad area of low pressure over the central tropical Atlantic, known as Invest 91 Lima, if you're tracking. It's producing a large area of disorganized cloudiness and showers. Although environmental conditions are only marginally favorable, some gradual development of the system is expected over the next several days, and a tropical depression is likely to form later this week. The disturbance is forecast to move slowly towards the west and then west-northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour toward the adjacent waters of the northern Leeward Islands. My team is watching Invest 91 Lima closely, and according to our discussion with the National Weather Service in Puerto Rico this morning, the current track will pass on Friday or Saturday approximately 350 miles northeast of St. John and may produce some impact from ocean swells. It is still too early to provide any details on anticipated winds or rainfall accumulations, but some rainfall is anticipated. A formation chance through the next 48 hours is medium or 50%. Formation chance through the next 5 days is high or 80%. The second disturbance, number 2, is a small low-pressure system located about 600 miles east of Bermuda. It's known as Invest 92 Lima. It continues to produce limited shower activity. Strong upper-level winds and dry air are expected to limit significant development of the system while it drifts southward and southwesterly over the central Atlantic during the next couple of days, and is likely to dissipate at the end of the week. 92 Lima currently poses no threat to the territory. Formation chance through the next 48 hours is low at 10%. Formation chance in the next 5 days is also low at 10%. Disturbance number 3. The tropical wave is forecast to move off the west coast of Africa this evening or early Tuesday. Some gradual development this system is possible, and this time, while it moves generally westward and westward-northwestern across the far eastern tropical Atlantic, this is a normal occurrence this time of year, and VITEMA and the National Weather Service in Puerto Rico will continue to monitor. The formation chance through the 48 hours is low at 10%, and formation chance for the next 5 days is low at 30%. Last week, I provided information on the conditions for VITEMA providing hurricane watch alerts, which is 48 hours prior to the onset of hurricane storm force winds, which is 74 miles of sustained winds per hour, and hurricane warning alerts, which is 36 hours prior to the onset of hurricane storm force winds, as well as a possibility due to rapid intensification, the National Weather Service may only issue a hurricane warning alert. In order to receive these critical alerts, if you've not done so yet, please visit the VITEMA website at www.vitema.vi.gov and sign up for Alert VI on our Everbridge service. You can request the alerts by text, by phone or phone calls, or email, and you can choose English or Spanish. There are over 21,000 individuals already signed up for Alert VI. Do not wait. Act now and be part of VITEMA's mass messaging notification. Today, I will provide information on what to do once a hurricane warning is issued, which again comes to National Weather Service in Puerto Rico or by VITEMA 36 hours prior. First of all, listen to the NOAA Weather Alert Radio like I have here, or portable battery-operated radio or television for updated information and official instructions. Hurricanes can change direction, intensity, and speed suddenly. Continue listening for local information. Make your decision on whether you're going to ride out the hurricane. If you're unable to stay at your current location, and announced by Governor Bryan and VITEMA of shelters opening, take action. If you're able to seek a safe location with friends, neighbors, or with faith-based organizations, or as a last resort, a shelter, take your disaster supplies kit. Go to the pre-identified location. Also, be sure to notify a friend or relative or someone you know where you're going to be. If you're bringing a pet, please be sure to bring a cat carrier or a dog cage along with a leash, food, and any medication for your pet. It's important to take action as soon as possible. Roads may be blocked and the storm can worsen, preventing safe escape. Having your disaster kit will make you more comfortable while you're away from your home. If you choose not to evacuate from your home, stay indoors. On the first floor, stay away from the windows, skylights, and glass doors, even if they're covered. Stay on the floor least likely to be affected by strong winds and flooded waters. A small interior room without windows on the first floor is usually the safest place. Have as many walls between you and the outside winds as possible. Sometimes strong winds and projectiles may tear hurricane shutters off, so stay away from the windows even if they're covered. Lie on the floor, get under a table or a sturdy object. Being under a sturdy object will offer greater protection from falling objects. Make sure you close all interior doors. Secure and brace external doors. Closed doors will help prevent damage from hurricane winds from entering additional rooms. Have a supply of flashlights and extra batteries handy. Avoid using open flames, candles, or kerosene lamps as a light source. Flashlights provide the safest emergency lighting source. Historically, candle-related deaths from home fires following hurricanes were 3 times greater than the number of deaths related to the impact of a hurricane. Kerosene lamps require a great deal of ventilation and are not designed for indoor use. Store your drinking water in clean bathtubs, sinks, plastic bottles, and cooking utensils. Public water supplies, cisterns, and wells may become contaminated, or electric pumps may be inoperable if the battery or power is lost. Survivors of community-wide disasters have said the individual's greatest need following a disaster is water. If power is lost, turn off all the major appliances to reduce the power surge when electricity is restored. When electricity is restored, the surge from any major appliance starting at the same time may cause damage or destroy appliances. Turning off or unplugging major appliances will allow you to decide when it's best to turn them back on. If you're in a boat or a mobile home, check your tie downs and evacuate immediately. Historically, boats and manufactured homes suffer the greatest amount of damage during hurricanes. Be aware of the calm or the eye. It's deceptive. The storm is not over. The worst part of the storm will happen once the eye passes over and the winds blow from the opposite direction. Trees, shrubs, buildings, and other objects damaged by the first winds can be broken or destroyed by the second winds. The opposing winds begin suddenly and have surprised and injured many people who ventured out during the eye. Watch out for flooding. Hurricanes and tropical storms often drop large amounts of rainfall and cause severe flooding, even when they're weakened or no longer named storm. Weak tropical storms are just as capable of producing heavy rainfall and flooding as major hurricanes. Finally, be alert for tornadoes. Tornadoes can happen during and after a hurricane passes over. Remain indoors at a lower level in the center of your home, in a closet or a bathroom without windows. Going below ground, such as to a basement or storm cellar, if you have one, increases the risk of flood. In addition to the protective measures already mentioned today, properly securing sandbags around your home where flooding or wind-driven rain may enter your home is critical. VITEMA, along with the Department of Public Works and VI Fire Services, is now conducting Operation Blue Skies, where we can bring your vehicle to one of the named locations and receive a prepackaged 6 sandbags per household. Distributions are now open for the second week at Department of Public Works on Tuesdays from 9 a.m. to noon, and at Public Works on Thursday from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. The VI Fire Services is available on Saturdays only from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Blue Skies, Operation Blue Skies will conclude Saturday, September 17th. The locations on St. Croix, Department of Public Works at Anna's Hope, Cotton Valley Fire Station, again Saturday only. Grove Fireplace Station, Saturday only. On St. Thomas, Department of Public Works and Subbase, the Fortuna Fire Station on Saturday. Omar Brown Fire Station in Barbell Plaza on Saturday, Curriculum Center in Tutu on Saturday, and on St. John, you have Coral Bay Fire Station on Saturday and Department of Public Works in Susannaburg. FITEMA reminds everyone, be prepared, stay informed, and be vigilant. I want to follow up this afternoon and give you an update on Operation Safe Water, which has been focused on the seawater intakes in the WAPA 7Cs desalination plant at Estate Richmond on St. Croix and the threat of sargassum seagrass influx and contamination. It's been greatly reduced, and we've removed over 1,000 cubic yards along the shoreline of approximately 400 meters east of the plant. The desalination plant is maintaining a good output at 93%, or approximately 3.4 million gallons per day for each day for the past 5 days. However, the consumption and the demand has remained high at between 3.1 and 3.5 million gallons per day. The water storage tank fluctuates between 4.1 and 4.4 gallons or days of supply, which is 62% storage capacity. FEMA is starting the demobilization of some of its key staff to reduce its footprint for this federal emergency declaration. The federal coordinating officer, Patrick Cornbill, will remain in the territory to support any additional requests, as well as to support the increased threat from 91 Lima tropical wave, which we just finished talking about, which will pass the territory on Friday or Saturday. So this concludes the update. Director Mota, back to you, sir.
Thank you, Director Joshin. If you haven't had the opportunity to visit any of the Virgin Islands Housing Finance Authority's community pop-up events on the Emergency Rental Assistance Program, there is still an opportunity to do so this week. As we mentioned last week, residents who were impacted by COVID-19 can get more information on the Emergency Rental Assistance Program and apply for assistance at these pop-up events. Both landlords and residents can apply for assistance with unpaid rent, utilities, internet, and cooking gas dating back to as early as March 2020. The remaining events this week will be held in the St. Thomas St. John District at Cost You Less from 3 to 5 p.m. tomorrow, Tuesday, August 30th, and Wednesday, August 31st at Tutu Park Mall from 12 to 2 p.m. So I will repeat those dates again for the St. Thomas St. John District. The pop-up events this week will be held at Cost You Less from 3 to 5 p.m. tomorrow, Tuesday, August 30th, and Wednesday, August 31st at Tutu Park Mall from 12 to 2 p.m. In St. Croix, the pop-up events will be held tomorrow, Tuesday, August 30th from 12 to 2 p.m. at Cost You Less, and Wednesday, August 31st from 12 to 2 p.m. at Home Depot. So again, for St. Croix, that's tomorrow, Tuesday, August 30th, from 12 to 2 p.m. at Cost You Less, and Wednesday, August 31st, from 12 to 2 p.m. at Home Depot. Visit the Virgin Islands Housing Finance Authority's website at vihfa.gov/ERAP for a list of required documents for the ERAP application, or to apply via the Housing Finance Authority's new online portal. You can also call the Virgin Islands Housing Finance Authority at area code 340-200-0007. Again, that number is 340-200-0007 for more information. Continuing with upcoming events, the Office of the Governor, in partnership with Royal Caribbean Cruise Line and the Department of Tourism, is holding its 5th USVI Community Business Forum to prepare for the upcoming cruise season. The forum is set for 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. on Thursday, September 8th at the University of the Virgin Islands' Great Hall on its Albert A. Sheen campus in St. Croix. Earlier this year, the cruise industry announced plans to increase port calls to the island of St. Croix in the upcoming cruise season. The forum gives our business community an opportunity to engage directly with administration officials and cruise experts so that they can plan for the upcoming season. Speakers include representatives from Royal Caribbean Cruise Line, also officials from the Department of Tourism and the Department of Sports, Parks, and Recreation, Also joining the list of speakers will be individuals from the St. Croix Chamber of Commerce and the University of the Virgin Islands' School of Business. The Office of the Governor is encouraging businesses and entrepreneurs, shop owners, taxi drivers, food establishment owners, or just any stakeholder in the hospitality and tourism industry here in the territory, in particular on the island of St. Croix, to join us for the conversation and to share your ideas. For more information and to register, visit vi.gov/CBF. Again, that is vi.gov/CBF. In closing this afternoon, the Division of Personnel's Career Expo on St. Thomas was a rousing success, and I want to give the Division of Personnel and all the participating agencies a big shout out for a job well done. And of course, I want to thank all of the members in the community who showed up and to wish you all success in your future endeavors. I hope some of you got the jobs that you were seeking and were interested in applying for. The Division of Personnel will be hosting its 2022 Career Expo and Mixer on the island of St. Croix on Wednesday, August 31st, 2022 at UVI's Great Hall. And this event will be held from 12 to 6 p.m. And so that's a great opportunity. Like I said, it was a rousing success in the St. Thomas District, St. Thomas, St. John District. And so they're continuing that for the residents over here in St. Croix to offer that opportunity. The expo, the Career Expo, will give the attendees the opportunity to meet and interact directly with human resources professionals from the departments and agencies and the semi-autonomous agencies as well. Individuals will have an opportunity to apply and interview for the many vacancies on site that same day. So dress for the job that you want, because you may just very well have an opportunity to interview right there on the spot. For more information, please visit the Department of Personnel's website at dopusvi.org, or you can contact them at 340-774-8588 or 340-718-8588. As you know, the governor and lieutenant governor are out of the territory on official business. However, the lieutenant governor is in Washington, D.C. with local St. Johnians today who own property in the Virgin Islands National Park, and they will be meeting with officials at the Department of Interior to discuss issues concerning access to their properties located within the Virgin Islands National Park land over there in St. John. These discussions have been a long time coming, and I trust that they will be brought to a reasonable resolution, and so there's more to come on that. And finally, before I leave this afternoon, I have a quick update on premium pay from the Office of Management and Budget. In total, the Office of Management and Budget and the Department of Finance has reviewed and processed more than 3,974 payments to eligible essential workers, totaling just under $7 million, to be exact, $6.9 million. And so the premium payments are going out, and we will provide you an update as those payments continue to go out to those eligible workers. That is it for me this afternoon. If there are any media, which I'm being signaled there are none, I would like to thank you all for joining us this afternoon and to invite you to join us again next Monday, same time, same place, 1 p.m. for next week's briefing. Have a good afternoon.